Hi, my name is DJ Buscelli with East Coast Truck and Trailer Sales. Today we're going to be talking about our 2013 Western Star. This pre-owned unit has a brand new Jerr-Dan 15-ton, 28-foot by 96-inch bed. She's powered by Detroit Diesel DD15, 560 horse engine, and also has an 18-speed manual transmission. On deck we have a 20,000-pound Ramsey winch with a 5/8 by 75-foot long cable. In addition to that, we've got two work lights on either side of the winch. Over to the right on the head rack, we've got a fuel can holder. On the left side, we have a locking chain rack. And just below the light bar, we've got two more work lights. Tie-down options with D-rings welded in front of the winch. You've got keyhole slots throughout the bed. On either side, we have flush-mounted rub rails with stake pockets. Underneath the bed for support, we've got mini I-beam cross members mounted on 8-inch centers. At the back of the bed, we have a reinforced low-profile tapered approach, a pair of work lights, 4-way round connector, a 7-way round electrical connector, air hose supply connector, glad hands, hydraulic stabilizer and hitch, and we've also included a backup camera for safety. Thanks for taking the time to check out this 15-ton industrial carrier. If you're interested in this truck or any other truck, please give us a call or check us out on our website at www.ectts.com.